In this video today, I'm going to be sharing three things. Number one, why you are not making money from taking surveys online. I'm going to be telling you why, and I'm also going to be showing you how you can start making money from taking surveys. I'm also going to be showing you why they keep banning your account, especially if you are on Prime Opinion, Five Surveys, and other survey websites that I talk about right here on my channel. I'm also going to be showing you how you can change your time zone, okay, to fit the country of your location, just so that they do not know that you are using a VPN, because trust me, these people are smart. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing all of this. And by the time you implement all of this, your story is definitely going to change. You will start making money from taking surveys. So if you like this kind of content, I like you to watch this video to the end. Make sure you're staying close. If there is something you need to screenshot, you screenshot. If there is something you need to write down, you write down, so that you do not forget. So without further ado, let us get right into the video. The advertiser wants you to answer their question in a certain way, and if you do not answer this question in that particular form and format that they want, they will say you're not qualified and you are not going to make money from that particular survey. That's how you can get the knowledge and the experience, is by doing, right? That is where the work lies. You keep taking surveys, they keep kicking you out, you are gaining the knowledge and you're gaining the experience. You just try to answer these questions in different formats until you get it right. Another way that you can also gain the right knowledge is by listening to people that are already in the field. If you can, you pay for a coaching class. Guys, I paid. If you can, pay for a coaching class and get to learn this thing from people that have been there for years, okay? Someone to hold you by the hands, teach you, show you what they are doing, how they are succeeding. Now, I don't mean you're going to meet someone that is not taking surveys, that is only making money from trainings. Someone that is actually taking surveys, right? And you're seeing the person's results. Those are the people you should pay money to, and then they will hold you by the hands, teach you what they are doing, how they are doing it, so that the next time you will also get it right. It will help to shorten your failing journey. I promise you it will. Now, another thing that you're going to be needing is a strong VPN. You guys, a lot of you come to my DM and then you're asking if you can use a free VPN. Please, no, do not use a free VPN. Do not use a free VPN. If you use a free VPN, it's going to be showing you something like this. Are you seeing this right now? This is exactly what it is going to be showing you. But if it is a paid VPN, you will not find anything like that, okay? So make sure that you're using a strong, not use a free one. You are not in the country of your location. It's either you're using a proxy or you're using a VPN. I use Mysterium VPN, and that is the only VPN that I've been using for 2 years now, that I've been taking surveys online. All right, so that is that about survey. Now, the reason why they keep banning you is the fact that your VPN keeps exposing you. Your time is the only reason why Prime Opinion, Five Surveys, Hey Cash, all of these survey websites, right, can actually ban you is because your VPN exposed you, right? Your IP address is saying something else and you are saying something else. Your IP address can, be cutting. If your VPN is not strong, if the network is not strong, it can be breaking in between. And if these people are going through, their back ends, right, they will know that. Another reason why they ban you is because of your time zone. Now, talking about time zone, this video is actually highly requested. A lot of you said I should teach you how you can, change your time zone, and that is why I am also including that in this video. All right, so I'm going to be showing you how you can change your time zone and all of this in just a few minutes, so stay with me. Now let us go to our VPN. Now this is VPNify VPN. This VPN is free. Do not use it. I'm using the free version because my Mysterium expired some days back. Today is 12th. My Mysterium expired on the 10th. I made a mistake. I should have recorded this video while I had my Mysterium VPN active, okay? But I'm not going to subscribe anytime soon, because the next 2 weeks I'll be writing my exams, and there's no point subscribing because that's like waste of money and all of that. So I'll get back when I'm done with my exams, and I needed to really do this video before I go on that short break. Okay, so yeah, this is a free VPN, but I'm using this because Mysterium VPN also have almost the same interface. So let's say we are switching our location to US. Okay, we have US here, but if you want to switch to any other location, what you just do is to click on this select server. You may see server on your own VPN or whatever, but server is server everywhere. Okay, so you just click on it, and then you just come over and look for any country that you want to switch to. So we are switching to the US, and of course it is already here. That's the default country location where we have set the VPN to. Then when you do that, you click on connect. So after you click on connect, the next thing you're going to be doing is to ensure that you have this key over here. I'm sure you can see this key, this small key right here. Ensure that you are having that key displayed on your bar, all right, to ensure that it is connected. Okay, and look at it here. We are connected, United States. Look at the flag and everything. Now that is the first thing that you're going to do. The second thing you're going to be doing is to make sure that you are locking the app or whatever apps that are displaying, on your recently used. Make sure you are locking it. For some reason, if you do not, it will also expose you. Look at this, guys. You've seen that I have locked it. Right now it is open. So how do you do that? You do as if you want to minimize. You go to your minimize button, right? This is how I do mine. So I've minimized now. Look at it. So when you go to minimize, you're going to be seeing this padlock icon here. Then you click, you touch it, it is going to be locked. For some of you, you will not find it like that. What you're going to be seeing is three vertical dotted lines. So you can just click on it. When you click on it, you're going to be seeing the option of lock, right? You can just select that option and that will be it. So you do the same for all other apps that are going to be displaying, right? So when you have done that, the next thing you're going to be doing is to check if you have actually connected, just like your VPN has said. You guys, this is very important. Just check if we are actually connected. You can either use what is my IP address. You go to your Google or whatever browser that you use, and you just type hua.net.com, what you're seeing over here, hua.net.com, or you can just simply check dial what is my IP address, but I prefer this hua.net. So let us click on it immediately. We don't want to waste so much time. So yeah, this is what we have right now, you guys. This is what we have on hua.net. Now don't forget, it is United States, New York. Okay, United States, New York, and we must have the same on this particular website. This is hua. So let us go and check. uh just scroll down. When you scroll down, you're going to see where you have location. Look at it, right? So you make sure that you have United States and you make sure that you're having New York. After you have done that, the next thing you are going to do is to go and change your time zone, because if you do not change your time zone, it is going to be conflicting with the time zone of your claimed country of location. That's why changing your time zone is very, very important. So guys, let us still scroll down and look at our time zone. So what you will do is that you scroll down till the very end. Now guys, look at this. Look at this, guys. Look at this. So are you saying that this is a free version? This is a free VPN. So are you saying that it is already showing us that we are using a VPN? Look at it. It is showing us right here that we are using a VPN. So you see why you do not need to use a free VPN. It will always show, okay? So do not use a free VPN. So let us go and look for our time zones. When you scroll down, you're going to find it. So look at it here. America, New York, Sunday, January 12th, 2025. If you look down, the timing that we have here is different from what we have up. So this is supposed to be our time. Now, if you come over here, you will see that my time is displaying something different. My time is displaying this 5:27. This is what, look at it, and my own time is displaying 5:30. Are you seeing the conflict that we are having? Now, let me show you how to solve this problem right now. What you will do now is to head over to your phone settings. So let us head over to our phone settings. Okay, guys, we are in our phone settings right now. You know where your phone settings is on your phone. So when you get to your phone setting, you go to the search bar and just type time zone. All right, you just type that. When you type time zone, are you saying that this is what is displaying? So let us click on time zone. So when you click on time zone, this is the interface you're going to have. I don't know what your phone looks like, but this is what mine looks like. But I feel like if you look at it very well, you would be able to duplicate the same thing on your phone. All right. So the first thing you need to do is to turn this off. Automatic time zone. Make sure you turn it off. Now, when you turn it off, you go back to the app to be sure. Go back to the website rather to be sure. Now we had Sunday 11:27 and the time is GMT 0500 EST. So let us go back. We are looking out for EST. So let us go back. So now you come to where you have select time zone. What we have here is plus GMT, okay? And then we now have West African time, which is WAT. So let us go and select our time zone. Take your time and go and check one after the other for EST. You may see it as EST on your phone. You may see it as Eastern time. So let's start the search. Okay, guys, over here, have you seen it? Eastern time. So let us touch on this Eastern time. You guys, have you seen that our time has changed automatically to 11:39 a.m.? Have you seen that? That is exactly what you're going to be doing on your phone. Now, when you have done that, let us go back and see if it has changed here. So we are going to go back and refresh this page to see if we have the exact time, if our time is matching. Have you seen this now? Have you seen this now? So right now we have 11:39. And over here, we also have 11:39 Eastern Standard Time. Are you seeing it? EST, EST. Are you seeing that we are now on the same page? That's exactly what you are going to do. So the moment you have done that, now if you still check on this wua.net, ensure that your disguise is on 100. It is showing 100%. If it is not showing 100%, please do not go. If it is showing 90, do not go. Ensure that it is showing 100% before you can start taking surveys. So after you have done all of these things that I have shown you, your time is now showing 11:41 a.m. So when you have done that, you now come back. Make sure that you've locked this app normally because I do not want any interference. I do not want any interference. Okay, so that's what I do. So the moment you do that, you can now go on your survey website. All right. If it is Prime Opinion, you can now go to your Prime Opinion, right? And then you log in, and then before you log into your Prime Opinion with whatever browsers, there is this video I mentioned. Look at this video. I mentioned the browsers that you must use to take surveys. So you can watch this particular video so you do not make a mistake on the browser to use. So when you have used your browser, make sure that before you start using it, ensure to clear your cache, ensure to clear history, clear any background data before you start. So the moment you've cleared your cache, clear background history, clear your tabs, all your tabs on that browser, then you can now start taking your surveys. So guys, I hope this video was detailed enough. For some of you that requested me to do video on how to change time zone, I hope you have learned. I hope you have seen it and you can now change your time zone. So this is where I'm going to end this video right now. If you have any question at all, leave it for me in the comment section and I am definitely going to attend to it. Thank you so much, guys. Ensure you've subscribed to this channel. Give this video a huge thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. And also ensure to leave me a comment down below. Whatever it is, tell me you enjoyed the video. Tell me you got in fact, if you don't have anything to type, just type, I got value. I like this video. I enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for making this video. These are simple things that you can just say so that it will help the algorithm push this video to other people that are looking for this kind of content. Okay? Share this video with anybody you feel will need it. Thank you so much for your support, you guys. And I will see you in my next one. Bye.